Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Apple CarPlay in your Hyundai Ioniq. First, ensure your iPhone is running a compatible iOS version, typically iOS 7 or newer. Next, it is crucial to use a certified, high-quality USB cable to guarantee a reliable connection between your phone and the vehicle. Finally, locate the USB data port in your Ioniq, usually found in the center console or near the dashboard, and plug in your cable. This sets the foundation for a smooth setup process. Once connected, navigate to your iPhone settings and confirm that CarPlay is enabled under General. Simultaneously, on your Hyundai Ioniq's infotainment screen, look for the Apple CarPlay icon or a prompt to connect. You might need to accept a few on-screen prompts on both your phone and the car's display to allow data sharing and grant necessary permissions. This handshake between devices is essential for activating the CarPlay interface successfully. If you encounter issues, start by restarting both your iPhone and the Hyundai Ioniq's infotainment system. Sometimes a simple reboot resolves minor glitches. If the problem persists, try using a different Apple-certified USB cable, as faulty cables are a common culprit. Also, verify that your iPhone's operating system is updated to its latest version, as software updates often include important compatibility fixes for CarPlay functionality. With CarPlay successfully connected, you can now enjoy a wide array of features directly on your Ioniq's display. Access your favorite navigation apps like Apple Maps, stream music, and send or receive messages safely. Utilize Siri for hands-free control, allowing you to make calls or get directions without distraction. This integration provides a seamless, safer, and more enjoyable driving experience, keeping your focus on the road ahead.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.